Welcome to today's lesson on common opposite words. Include, exclude. Include. The price includes free delivery. Exclude. The report excludes unnecessary details. Agree. Disagree. Agree. I agree with your opinion on the topic. Disagree. We often disagree on what to watch. Accept. Reject. Accept. She accepted the gift with a smile. Reject. He rejected the job offer politely. Create. Destroy. Create. Artists create beautiful paintings. Destroy. The storm could destroy the crops. Allow. Forbid. Allow. My parents allow me to play games on weekends. Forbid. The teacher forbids using phones in class. Appear. Disappear. Appear. A rainbow appeared after the rain. Disappear. The magician made the rabbit disappear. Support. Oppose. Support. They support the new policy for education. Oppose. Some people oppose the idea of raising taxes. Gain. Lose. Gain. I gained a lot of knowledge from the seminar. Lose. Be careful not to lose your keys. Expand. Shrink. Expand. The company plans to expand its business. Shrink. The sweater will shrink if you wash it in hot water. Strengthen. Weaken. Strengthen. Exercise will strengthen your muscles. Weaken. The illness has weakened him. Great job! You've learned 10 common opposites with examples today. Keep practicing these opposites in your sentences and conversations. See you next time.